Make sure you got
is that good?
Even distribution. So when I pick up the first one and the third one, they need to be the same. Pick it up. How does it feel? Do they feel like they're the absolute same?
No.
Okay. So what do you need to do?
That one's thinner.
Okay. So you need to take some out. You have to have even distribution. If you don't, when you put the braids in, it's not going to work.
Different sizes.
Correct. Even distribution.
That feels
better. Okay. How does that feel? Does 2 and 3 feel the same?
No, it feels a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay. Even distribution. 1 and 2 and 3 feel the same?
This one still feels so thick.
Okay.
Yeah, that feels better.
Okay. Now how does 1 and 2 feel? How does 1 and 2 feel? 1 and 2 feel the same?
Yes.
Okay. How does 3 and 4 feel?
So,